So if you're planning on going herping in 2019, there's a 90% chance that you're going to be taking a phone or a camera with you just so you can document your experience, photograph your finds, and post it somewhere like on YouTube or Facebook and share your experience with the rest of the world. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you three tips you're going to need that'll help you make a successful herping video. It's coming up. If you're watching this video, you kind of notice that it doesn't have a lot of views. You're like, oh, Jordan, what are you doing? Is this some kind of clickbait video? You know, your recent videos don't have a lot of views. You know, what do you know in 3 tips that can help me make sure that my herping video is going to be successful? Well, first off, this video right here is my most viewed video on my entire page at almost 1 million views. If you type in herping on the YouTube search, just the word herping, and hit enter, when I took this screenshot, my video was 3rd, and it was the same one, extreme herping. My second most viewed video on my whole entire channel is this one, a herper's dream, at over 500,000 views, and I posted that one back in 2012. And if you're still like, okay, cool, Jordan, you had 2 videos pop off. Well, these videos right here, I took a screenshot of my most viewed videos. And as you can see, with the exception of one, which I think is a creek fishing video, they're all herping related. This is not to try to help you make a video to get more views. The reason we herp, most of us at least, we have a passion for wildlife and nature and animal conservation, and we want to spread that to the world. So you're going to need to guarantee you get a lot of exposure, but not only that, people are actually going to listen to you. People want to protect what they love. First, what you're going to need is passion. I see so many herping videos out there that are good. They got plenty of videos of snakes, and they're actually going out and videoing like them flipping stuff and the snakes right there and all this other stuff, but there's no passion. They're mainly just like, oh well, here we found a king snake and it's pretty cool, didn't expect to see that today, and we're gonna let him go, and that's it. And that's great if that's your thing, if that's all you're doing, you're just doing the videos for you, cool, keep doing your thing. But if you're wanting to make an impact and really get that passion across to get people to respect and want to protect these animals that we are so passionate about, you need passion. 2 is enthusiasm. When you have that passion and everything, you need to be enthusiastic, not just about like the herp that you're looking at and everything else like that, but your just overall experience. Like, we go out and we herp because we love the experience, and there's an aspect of it that just appeals to us. That's why we go out and do it. Most of the time I've heard a lot of people, herpers, talk about how it's about the trip. You know, they go out and they herp and they don't find anything. They're like, oh man, it's still a great trip. And they'll post a video and they didn't find anything, but they'll still talk about that. It's like, me as a herper, I understand where you're coming from. But other people, they're like, I just wasted my time on a video. Like, pull them in and get them to enjoy that overall experience, and then they'll keep coming back and they'll want to go out and herp themselves, and they won't get discouraged if they go out there and don't find anything, because they already have that mindset of like, I'm just getting out of here, and just, if I find something, that's a plus, but at least I'm getting out in nature and I'm just in it and involved. Number 3, educate. It's not enough just to film a snake and you hold it up and you're like talking about it, oh my gosh, it's great and everything. That's good. But if you blend passion, enthusiasm, and sprinkle a little bit of education and knowledge in there, like you find a northern water snake and that passion comes in, you're just like, people can just tell you just are freaking out over this common snake you see every single day, and you're just enthusiastic about it, and the way you're talking about it, and your mannerisms and stuff, and people can see that you're genuinely excited about it. And then you say things like, especially if you have somebody with you and you're like, dude, what if it bites you? Like in the extreme herping video. And I was like, that's not going to do anything. I mean, yeah, they have an anticoagulant in their saliva, which is basically prevents blood clotting, so I would basically just bleed a lot. That's knowledge that was thrown out there that someone's going to get a hold of through my passion and my enthusiasm. Now they have more knowledge and information about it that they generally wouldn't give a second glance to even trying to learn about this snake because they're terrified of snakes. Through your passion, your enthusiasm, and you're just catching their attention with all this stuff, dropping knowledge on them. I didn't know that about that kind of stuff. Like rat snakes and black racers and stuff, those big snakes that I see around our barn and everything, like I didn't realize that they were the reasons why we don't have big mice problems. So you should probably just leave them alone rather than go out there and try to kill them. The wildlife conservation thing is all about spreading this knowledge and getting people to understand these misunderstood creatures. And I feel like as herpers, like that's a big weight on our shoulders. Like we carry a lot of that responsibility because we're going out and we're purposefully trying to find venomous snakes and stuff that most of the people in the world purposefully go out of their way to try to avoid. You know, a lot of people don't go out hiking because it's spring and summer and like snakes are out, and they're like, oh nope, screw that, I'll just sit at home and binge watch Netflix. I guarantee you, passion, enthusiasm, education, if you incorporate that into your herping trips when you're recording them, I mean, you'll catch a lot more people's attention, and little by little, this fear that people have of these misunderstood creatures will slowly start to at least turn into a respect. And that's progress in our mission and what we're trying to do. So, thanks for watching, guys. I love y'all, and happy herping.